What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a realistic morning routine with you, living on Section 8 while trying to stay grounded in faith and also take care of myself. I start my day with a simple and affordable breakfast. Even when life feels very busy, I try to do at least one small thing to make myself feel put together. Today, I'm reading Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. This is my reality. Not a perfect house, but I'm grateful for what I have, a roof over my head. I just want to thank you guys for spending the morning with me. Comment below, how does your morning look? Is it calm or chaotic? See you in the next video.